Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to our class. Okay, so today we will start with chapter 1, which is the office environment. Okay, so first let's take a look at the learning objective for this chapters. Okay, so by the end of the session, student will be able to define some of the terms listed in the chapter and then explain various functions of an office. And last one is to understand technology used in a modern office. Okay, so now we take a look on 1.1.1. Office are information driven. Okay, so you need to identify what is the definition of information. Okay, information consists of data or facts that have been organized into a meaningful form. Okay, so you remember information something related to data or facts yang kita dah transform into meaningful form. For example, a sales clerks enter the details of a customer's order at the computer. Okay, when they have the list of sales and then the clerk enter into the computer system. Okay, then all the information all the data kita panggil as information. Okay, or another example is a list of courses that you need to take for this semester. Then we transform into timetable. That one we call as information. Okay, next is 1.1.2 key office activities. Okay, so there are 5 key office activities that you need to know. First one is creating information. Okay, so in creating information, it consists of composing memorandums, letter and reports. Other than that, organizing, summarizing and interpreting data, creating presentations, and making decisions and recommendations based on information studies. All this thing of activities in office we call as creating information. Okay, so the second key office activities is searching for information. Okay, so in searching information, it includes the accessing database, the internet and company intranets. Okay, when you access some database information from the internet, from the intranet of organization, we call as a searching information. Okay, other than that, inquiring or asking a questioning of person within the company, also kind of searching of information. Okay, and third is inquiring of persons outside of the company, and last one is using reference manual and books. Okay, whenever you are looking for information, that one can be included in a searching for information. Okay, so third key office activities is processing information. Okay, so all these listed activities is processing information when you are editing and proofreading, keyboarding, opening and renewing incoming communications, entering data in database, preparing outgoing communications, preparing checks, orders and invoice, and last one is preparing spreadsheet. Okay, so this kind of all information, all activities yang kita process the information. Okay, so the fourth key office activities is communicating information. Okay, so this is the common activities in organization where which is we are answering telephone calls, greeting a callers, responding to person within and outside the organization. Okay, and then providing instruction to colleagues, and last one is preparing and delivering presentation. So all this information, when we are communicate with other people, we can conclude this as a key of office activities in communicating information. Okay, so the last key office activities, number 5 is managing information. Okay, so the example of managing information is maintaining calendars, maintaining database and files, and last one is maintaining financial records. Okay, so now is 1.1.3 technology in modern office. Okay, so many companies use up-to-date technology in their office to help employees to be more productive, and workers also should expect their duties as well as their work to change from time to time. Okay, so we are in the 21st century, and so we need to adapt with the changes of technologies in the office to be more productive. Okay, so this is the common technologies that have been used by the organization in current office, which is World Wide Web. Okay, so World Wide Web is resources on the internet that support hyperlinks, text, graphic, and multimedia. So everyone nowadays have used World Wide Web in searching for information. Okay, so other technologies in the organization is intranets. Okay, so intranet is a network that connect people within a company to each other and to the company network. Okay, which is a private computer network that looks and operates similar to web page. Okay, intranets ni similar to World Wide Web tadi tu, tapi this one is within the organization, intranet, dalaman sahaja. So to connect within the organization, bukan outside organization, we call as intranet. Okay, so meanwhile, internet is a public worldwide computer network that span the globe. Okay, which is kita boleh communicate ataupun sharing information within to the other people around the world to internet. Berbeza dengan intranet. Intranet is within the organization, but internet is the network can be spanned to the globe. Okay. Okay, so next is alternative office that have been used in current days. Okay, maybe alternative of office may be located at headquarters, in a carrying bag, or at home, or a temporarily assigned workplace. Okay, so in alternative office, there are few types of alternative office. First one is traditional office. Okay, so traditional office is a permanent and located where the company does business. Okay, so traditional office is kind of a traditional office lah where the business does business. For example, your ATM. So your ATM ni dekat seluruh hujung ni adalah dia punya permanent and located where the company does business. So this is we call as traditional office. Okay, and then employees travel daily to a central location and then spend the working days at the same desk or workspace. Okay, and usually traditional office generally report directly to a supervisor or manager. Tu kita panggil as traditional office, which is kalau korang datang dekat UiTM, office saya memang dekat Sarjana 1137, tak berubah. So tu kita panggil as traditional office. Okay, so other alternative office is telecommuting. Okay, so telecommuting ni when a person who work at the other than traditional office. Selain daripada traditional office, kita panggil sebagai telecommuting. Okay, so telecommuting is a practice of working and communicating with others from home office or other remote location. Okay, telecommuting ni depends. Dia boleh buat kerja at any time. At any place. Okay, it could be from the office, from home office or remote location. Maknanya dia dekat kedai pun dia boleh buat kerja, dia dekat tepi pantai pun dia boleh buat kerja. Okay, so dia kata they do not travel to the office or meet with clients daily, and then they receive information via a variety of telecommunications method. Okay, and then they share information using the internet or intranet, using computer, telephone, and fax machine. And then usually workers can perform their tasks at a variety of locations and maintain communication with others. Okay. So those yang practice telecommuting, usually dia tak travel to the office lah. Okay, maknanya dia bukan buat daily. Okay, mungkinlah ada certain day yang dia pergi ke office. Okay, and then dia akan receive information, dia akan communicate with the information using telecommunication sahaja. Okay, so tu adalah telecommuting. Okay, so virtual office kind of types of telecommuting. Okay, so virtual office is a setting that allows you to perform work activities as you would in a traditional office. Okay, virtual office ni dia kata setting yang you perform work activities as traditional, which is dia punya office tu macam traditional tapi dia tak ada no physical location or space for this type of office. Dia tak ada physical location ataupun specific space. Okay, so virtual office basically needs the wireless technology and should be connected directly to the satellite. Okay, so biasanya dia akan guna network lah, internet network untuk dia connect dengan others employee. Okay, and then with this technology, people can work wherever they are. Okay, and then has the capabilities to perform work activities away from the traditional office setting. Okay, this maknanya dia boleh buat kerja macam traditional office, tapi dia buat dekat mana-mana. Dia tak ada specific space, and then types of office pun dia tak ada. Okay, tapi dia boleh kerja dia sama macam traditional office. Mungkin dia kerja secara 8 to 5 sama macam traditional office, tapi dia secara virtual. Okay. Okay, so continue with virtual office. Some office worker are virtual office. Some office employ virtual assistants. Okay, so ada virtual. Dia kata ada organisation yang memang dia virtual office, but some organisation dia ada virtual assistant, which is a worker who perform tasks normally handled by an on-site secretary or administrative assistant. Okay, so a virtual assistant can work from a home office. He or she can set work schedule and work as many hours per week as desired. And then virtual assistant do not require on-site office space are usually paid only for the hours they work. Okay, so kalau virtual assistant ni, which is dia macam contohlah CEO tu dia ada dekat traditional office. Okay, tapi dia ada assistant yang kerja secara virtual. Okay, yang handle yang setting dia punya meeting, yang setkan dia punya timetable, yang arrange dia punya meeting bila-bila atau apa-apa je lah, tapi secara online. Tu kita panggil sebagai virtual assistant. Okay, which is dia assist from home office. Okay. Okay, so other types of alternative office or telecommuting is mobile office. Okay, so mobile office, very like traditional office, but they are temporary. For example, office set up at construction sites and main or operate by office staff are one of type of mobile office. Okay, this is kind of contoh bila dia ada project and then dia letak satu container office dekat project area tu kita panggil sebagai mobile office, which is mobile ni something yang kita boleh portable, yang boleh bawa ke mana-mana. Okay, so types of mobile office, non-territorial workspace. Okay, so this is based on assignment basis. This type of office are not assigned to anyone permanently. Kalau non-territorial ni, which is based on assignment. Kalau let's say ada projek tu berkaitan pasal pemantauan. So someone yang ada yang able untuk buat pemantauan akan di-assign untuk pergi ke sana. Okay. So dia kata this type of office are not assigned to anyone permanently. Maknanya dia bukan permanent dekat situ. Dia sekejap je. Okay. And another example of mobile office is hoteling. Another types of mobile office is hoteling, which is they are using workspace that is assigned as needed. Okay, hoteling dia maksud macam hotel lah. Hotel kan kita pergi time kita perlu je nak tidur kat hotel tu bila kita travel, so kita nak kena pergi hotel. Two terms dia, hoteling. Okay, bukannya kita pergi kerja dekat hotel. Okay, hoteling is using workspace that is assigned as needed. Okay, maknanya bila kita perlu time tu, dan time tu lah kita panggil. Tu sebagai hoteling. Okay, so the last type of alternative office or telecommuting office, which is home office. Okay, it is a space within a person's home that is used to perform office tasks. Okay, someone who work from home, then we call as home office. Okay, so they are using a certain area in their home to perform their tasks. In many home office, electronic capabilities make it possible to communicate easily with others, which is by using email, internet, intranets, fax, and telephone. Okay, some people who work at home are able to participate, for example, in teleconferencing within a person at headquarters as well as other location in any part of the world. Which is someone yang kerja secara home office ni lagi stable bila dia nak join teleconferencing kan, compare to someone yang sentiasa moving ni, okay, yang mungkin yang tiba-tiba sekejap kat sini, sekejap dekat sana, so mungkin line internet tak stable, but orang yang kerja dekat home office ni dia tak ada masalah untuk join the meeting ke secara online. Okay, some people who work at home are self-employed and also often called freelancer. Okay, so someone yang kerja dekat home office ni kadang-kadang kita panggil sebab dia adalah self-employed. Okay, which is usually home office ni macam mungkin or often called as freelancer ni macam contoh fotografer ke kan, dia buat dekat rumah je, dan kita panggil dekat dia, dan dia adalah self-employed lah biasanya. Kalau those yang bekerja secara home office. So that's all for chapter 1. Thank you everyone for watching. See you on tutorial class. Bye.